everyone, listen. So I'm back. I've got something really interesting for you guys. I've been waiting on this for a while. I've heard rumors about it and I wasn't really sure, but they came out with everything today. I read through it all, terms and conditions, all that kind of stuff, and this is looking like something of real value because we've always in the crypto world and decentralized finance, it was always a bit iffy. But now we finally have it where it's sort of coming together with the real world. And this specific company is called Yield Nodes, and they're creating a Decenomy. And I will run you through everything. I'll show you the reports that they have. But technically, what they've created is called the Yield Nodes NFT, and it's an NFT that's finally used in a way that I've always thought an NFT should be used. And it's basically like a shared certificate. Like in the real world, you go to the stock market, you buy shares and whatnot, and then you can get dividends off of those shares and whatnot. It's an actual certificate. It's actually backed by something real. And this is exactly what they've managed to done. They brought in a whole legal team to manage to be able to do it and to have these certificates backed by real world assets. And when you purchase these certificates, you actually get dividends directly into your wallet. And it is perfect. It is perfect. And also, it is not, because nowadays, you buy some stock in Apple and whatnot, that dividends is not going to do much. Unless you buy a lot. But with yield nodes, they're guaranteeing about 5% quarterly. They've even said they might bump it up to 5% monthly, right? 5% quarterly. That is extremely, extremely well. You're doing 15 to 20% per year, which is way better than any sort of savings account or any of that. And like I said, it's backed by real world assets. So it's much more, there's not that much risk involved. And I'll run you through everything. So this is the actual, you can trade it on OpenSeas. You can go and hear the certificates here. Now, it's still new. They've just launched today. I wanted to be, really quick with this because I'm sure these certificates are going to get sold pretty quickly. I'm not sure how it's going to work, but if it's a bundle, I'm still waiting for them to officially launch. But still, keep your eyes on it. I think this is going to be a really cool project. So they've got their NFT, they describe it here, they describe how it works, and their whole company and what they're trying to achieve is really interesting. They even list, so they're very transparent. This is the most transparent project that I've seen. They have a whole list of all the real world assets that they're doing, all the how much these assets are turning over every year. All the financial reports are there. I'm gonna link all of these sites and you can go and check them out yourself. They describe everything. They've got their light paper. They've got a whole bunch of stuff to go through, and it's really, really interesting. So please go check it out and let me know. I think this is something of value. I think it's something that's going to do quite well. And again, I'm just so happy finally someone has brought real world assets to an NFT, and then almost like when you say, I've got this NFT, it's actually backed by something. I'll keep you guys posted. It's gonna take probably another week until we get some more details on it, but just keep it in mind there. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. I'll show you how to go through everything, where these NFTs are placed and their pricings, and what kind of whether they're going to confirm the 5% quarterly, 5% monthly. So I'll get back all this information to you guys as soon as I get it. Thanks.